Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MEO Exam. In last presentations we have seen what all things we do before dry dock. Now let's see what all things we will do during dry docking. So let's begin with this video. So during dry docking we have to monitor shipyard's work in dry dock. So the supervision of major jobs should be assigned to ship's officers, each being given area of responsibility. So shipyard's work has to be monitored by the uh, ship staff. Immediately after the dock is dry, the underwater portion of the vessel should be inspected, accompanied by the class surveyor and the ship repair manager. So uh, underwater portion of the vessel should be inspected in presence of ship surveyor and ship repair manager. So this is the first thing which we have to do during dry docking. Second thing is seeking daily updates. So daily morning meetings should be held to confirm work done on the previous day and to plan for the work to be done for that particular day. So this meeting will be meeting will be attended by the ship repair manager, service provider, master, chief engineer, chief officer, safety and fire officer. So agenda of the meeting is to include but not limited to progress of the work list items, exchange views, issue addressed and activities to be rescheduled as necessary. So this is the agenda for the meeting. Then items of the work to be carried out on that particular day. Then modifications to the work specifications. Then review of safety and environmental protection requirements, and time of this meeting will be agreed by the owner's representative. So daily updates of the work which is going on in the dry dock is a second important thing which we have to carry out during dry dock. Now third is complying with safety procedures. So the presence of various external parties who are not familiar with the vessel increases the risk factor, and especially identify safety practices has to be listed out. Superintendent should sign a safe working practice agreement with the shipyard. The master and the shipboard management team are responsible for safety of the crew, passenger, vessel. They have to make sure safe working practices are followed. They have to instruct the ship staff with respect to the emergencies that can occur while ship is in dry dock as per company quality policies and safety environment policies, adhering to local repair safety requirements and regulations. So both company shipboard quality and safety environment protection environmental policies and safety local safety regulation requirements are to be followed. We have to ensure that fire control plan is posted outside the deck house in accordance with the SOLAS chapter 2. So this is the third thing which we have to do during dry docking. The master and the shipboard team management are responsible for signing of gas free certificate for enclosed space as passed by the chief officer, acquiring and authorizing hot work within the confine of repair facilities or repair berth in accordance with the company regulations, safe application of testing procedures, x-ray, example x-ray of weld weld which we do. Then security of the ship as per ISPS code. Then ensuring the ship is the properly manned during repair period, that this engine room or ship cannot be left unattended while the work is going on. Then keeping the shore water main connection to the vessel fireman immediately after entering the dry dock, with the fireman continuously pressurized up to 7 bars. Then the earth connection should be secured to the hull and removed following standard procedures when all work is completed. Then proper waste hazard disposal including asbestos if any. Then proper connection of the shore electrical power, like this example, this alternate marine power, that is after the ship is in dry dock we have to go on shore power, so this connection has to be proper. So we have to comply with the safety procedures of the ship as well as of the local requirements or local regulations. So while we are in dry dock, it's not necessary that all the things which we have planned they will go according to the plan. So to to check if the things are not going out of budget, so we have to monitor the budget. Thorough budgeting, monitoring expenses, cost control without compromising on the quality and safety are the jobs of shift superintendent. So it is his job to monitor budget without compromising with safety. During the daily meeting, the superintendent should keep track of the cost of jobs being completed, omitted, or added. Maintaining records of the work done, material used, labor involved, and time taken. So this will mainly help him manage the budget. Looking for the ways and means of reducing cost without compromising quality and aspect of safety. So if the superintendent want that the budget does not crosses the planned budget or approved budget, so in that case he has to monitor the unplanned activities. So unplanned activities are common part of the dry docking process and when identified should be addressed during daily meetings. Responsibility should be assigned and cost allocated. For example, when carrying out border inspection of the class survey and the shipyard manager, many additional defects, example damage of the bottom plating, bilge keel, propeller, etc. are identified. As a result, supplementary work order or budget allocation has to be carried out. So, in my previous slides, I have told you that during uh, pre-inspection, pre-dry dock inspection, if superintendent want, he can carry out underwater inspection also to avoid this particular thing. Any additional jobs outside initial repair scope or the material requirement represents a cost and time overrun. So basically, any additional job will cost both money and time. Shipyard tends to take advantage of the items that are not being specified earlier. Since all these have implications on the budget, they should be closely monitored and controlled. So thank you friends. This was about the things which we carry out during dry docking, and all the major works I will cover each work in detail in my upcoming slides. So till then, take care, have fun.